Week 4, video 4 for FWKI 6203. So we're starting at slide 22, and I encourage you to pause the video, or if you have the PowerPoints open, just to read through the information on the next few slides. Okay, like I said, your resume is the employer's first impression of you, so make it good. Make sure there's no editing mistakes, no grammar, no spelling, no awkward kind of formatting. Make sure it's well organized. They're judging you on that piece of paper. So market yourself really well by giving a good first impression with your written communication skills, your ability to use MS Word and save it as a PDF or whatever. Okay, so make a good first impression. Okay, so moving on, LinkedIn. Now, just a gentle reminder that I'm not asking you to submit anything with LinkedIn. I'm not marking your LinkedIn profile, but I am expecting you to have a link to your LinkedIn profile page on the header of your resume. So make sure that if that employer for field placement does click on it, that they find a LinkedIn profile that's accurate and up to date. So it should have the same information about your education as your resume has, and maybe has a little bit more information, maybe some links to some projects that you've done or databases of your work. Okay, so you know what LinkedIn is, hopefully from ITSE you remember. And for those of you who haven't customized the URL, there's instructions right here how to do that so that it doesn't have some weird letters and numbers in your URL. Okay, so, and these are some suggestions on what I think should be the bare minimum on your LinkedIn profile. This is the content that I think should be the bare minimum. So again, in summary, take a look at the checklist. Your resume needs to have all of these things in order to earn a pass. And let me know if you have further questions or you want some clarification. Please reach out to me at susan.pratt@durhamcollege.ca, and we can arrange a time to chat, or I can answer your questions by email. And next week, Liz Campbell will be with us. She's from the School of Bidham, and she's the field placement officer for the entire school, and she's responsible for making sure that all students are health and safety compliant before you go out for even a remote placement, and also to make sure that you've completed this finalized field placement form that's in her manually managed course, and that identifies who your field placement employer is, because she needs to maintain an accurate database of where our students are and who their supervisors are. So you need to do everything in her course. She'll answer any questions you might have, because you do that for her, and then you submit for assignment 3 evidence that you've complied, and that will earn you a pass for assignment 3. All right, we will see you maybe in class on Monday, and if not, hopefully these instructions have been helpful. Have a great day.